Hey guys, I'm Isaiah.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Javier.
This is going to be a tutorial video for Flipgrid for teachers to use in their classrooms to help their students give feedback on different lessons and stuff. And so this is our tutorial of how to do that.
Hello and welcome to our Flipgrid tutorial. So what you see here is the Flipgrid homepage. So if you're a teacher and educator, so what you want to do is on the top right corner, you'll see a sign up today if you're new to Flipgrid. What you want to do is you want to click in, it'll open another tab. And so you'll have the options of either signing in with Google or signing in with your Microsoft. And following, it'll ask you your basic information, your name, your area of study, your subject, where you live at, what state, and what educational community, high school, middle school, the university level. And after that, and you'd want to click Let's Go. And after you click Let's Go, it'll take you to the next page. And this is what the screen would look like for teachers and educators.
So to go on to the next step, unless you pay, you can only have one grid. However, you can have multiple topics. And so down here you'll see your new grid button that you'll want to click to create a new grid. Your grid launchpad, you will select a grid community type. And so there's school email domain where students can access using a common Microsoft or Google school email. The second one is a student ID list. So this is a student list with identifiers and QR codes to access the grid. And then you can also just share it as a public grid. So I'll go ahead and just select this as a public grid. For the grid name, it can be for whatever community, so like a physical education class. For us, it would be a physical education class. So let me type that in real quick. And then what you're going to do is this actually already creates a flip code for you, but you can choose to create a different flip code, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it. And then also you can just personalize your grid to whatever you want to with these pictures. Then you're going to go ahead and click next. Also, with it being public, you can add a grid password just so that you won't have anybody just getting onto it, making videos and stuff like that. And then you'll go ahead and launch your grid. And then here it gives you the option of sharing your grid already. But if you're still creating it, you just want to go ahead and click all set. So this is like the beginning stages of your grid. And so like I said earlier, you can only, with unsubscribed or a free account, you're only able to create one grid, but you're able to do multiple topics. So what I'm going to do next is create a new topic. And here you can see your topic title. So for us, it would be the Frisbee lesson plan. And then here you can select the video response time, so the time that's allowed for your students to respond on Flipgrid. Also, you can add a topic tip just to help your learners. If you give them a clue as to what you're wanting on Flipgrid or for the response. You can also pick a display date of when you want it to display, and then you can also provide a topic description. So for ours, it would be feedback on the Frisbee lesson that was in class today. And then once you're done with that, you can also do these different topic privacy and topics status. So you can click on here and click it to be frozen, active or inactive. Also launch and freeze dates. Also your topic resource. There's different options to do, such as record a video, upload a video, add a video, upload an image, add a Giphy and add an emoji. So then you also can apply attachments to your topic, and then here's just different things for video features that you put on, and then also just basic feedback and stuff like that. So once you overview and change all your settings, you'll go ahead and click Create Topic, and then it also just pops up a window that shows you your flip code, and that there is a direct link to the grid or to your topic. So here is the actual topic, and it's now live. And so basically what your students can do is go on to their laptop, or if they download the app, they can access the code here. So
okay, so now we're going to enter a Flipgrid code. And then submit it. And then at the bottom of the screen, there is a circle that's green. You're going to push that to make a new response.
And so you'll have to log in to the account that you make as a student. And then also to start recording, you will press this red button.
And then it will just go.
And then it will go. So then you'll click pause if you need to, or press record again. And then
you're going to press next whenever you're done, and it's going to give you a little preview of what you just recorded, and you can trim it if you need to. So then you're going to press next again, and then you're going to choose a cover picture that you want displayed for the class to see whenever you submit your video response, and then you're going to press submit. And it's just going to export. And there you go. You're going to return back to the main screen that you're at, and there's your response video.
all right, so to finish this out, Alyssa had just posted her response to the Frisbee lesson plan. And so basically all you do is you can just go in, and once it loads, you can see the video and also read the response. And then you can also, like this video or something like that, report it, but you don't need to do that. So, and that's basically it. So that is our tutorial of Flipgrid.